Good morning everyone, this is Coach Gerald. Welcome back to GMG Chess. Today, let's analyze one of the amazing games of all time between Anton Habistandal and William Henley Pollock. In this game, Black consolidated all his pieces to the king side to attack the white king and sacrifice a lot of pieces, and in the end white cannot avoid losing all his pieces by discover attack. The power of bishop at e4 is so powerful. Without further ado, let's go now to the game. Habistanda played e4, Pollock replied e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, bishop c5. This is Goke piano opening, and it was very popular long time ago, especially in the 19th century. b4 a gambit, knight takes b4, c3, knight c6, d4. This is the idea of b4, sacrificing a pawn to control the center immediately and for initiative. E takes d4, castle, sacrificing another pawn at c3 for development and initiative. d6, the black refrained from capturing another pawn and focus on his development. C takes d4, bishop b6. Now white control the center, but black is one pawn up. d5, knight a5, bishop d2, a good idea, attacking the pawn at g7, and this is the proper place for white dark bishop in the a1 to h8 diagonal, focusing on the king side if black castle. Knight takes c4. This one is bad move. Better is knight fc. Focus on development and safety of his king. After bishop d3, castle, knight c3, rook e8. Black is slightly better because of material, one pawn up. But after knight c4, bad move, queen a4 check. This is not a better one. The better one is bishop takes g7, grabbing the material. White not only exchange up, but also safety of black king. Knight f6, bishop takes h8, bishop g4, queen a4 check, knight d7, queen takes c4. White is winning. But after the obvious one, queen a4 check, bishop d7, queen takes c4, f6. A good idea, lessening the power of bishop along the a1 to h8 diagonal and preventing the breakthrough at e5. a4, knight e7, black continue with his development and safety of his king. a5, bishop c5, e5. This one is logical because of activating the bishop at b2, but also opening of f-file, which is useful for black, and weakening the pawn at f2. Now black has a threat on f2. F takes e5, knight takes e5, castle. Now black king is in the safe square, and the black rook pointing at f2 together with bishop at c5. Knight d3, b6, that is force. Knight takes c5, capturing the good bishop. B takes c5, knight c3, rook b8, a good move. Place your rook in the open file. That is one of the chess principle. And there is a possibility that move to b4, then transferring to the king side. Rook a b1, rook b4, as I said earlier, queen e2, knight g6. Black can move to h4, f4, or e5. Bishop a1, rook g4, penetrating at the king side. And the threat is rook takes g2, king takes g2, knight f4, g3, preventing the black threat. Knight f4, queen d2, queen h4. Now black consolidate all his pieces. Knight e2 principle. If you are in the defending side, you must exchange all pieces, especially the attacking pieces. Knight h3, avoiding exchange as principle. If you are attacker, avoid exchanging pieces. King h1, bishop f5, good move. Black can try knight takes f2, but there is a deeper idea behind bishop f5. f3. If g takes f4, bishop e4 check, f3, rook takes f3. White cannot avoid checkmate. If queen e3 after bishop f5, rook e4, queen c3, queen g4, knight g1. If f3, black can simply capture the e2. After f takes g4, bishop e4 check, rook f3, bishop takes f3, queen takes f3, rook takes f3. White has material advantage. After knight g1, rook c4, queen takes g7, queen takes g7, bishop takes g7, king takes g7. Black is winning because of material advantage. After f3, as in the game, bishop takes, excellent move. And this position was in our puzzle last time. Some answer bishop e4. After bishop e4, f takes e4, queen e7, rook takes f8, queen takes f8, king g2. And white is winning because of material. Another one play queen e7, moving back the queen. But after rook be1, avoiding the possible discover. Knight g1, rook g6. Black is slightly better. Not convincing as in the game. The other one is knight f2. After knight f2, rook takes f2, rook takes g3, knight takes g3, bishop b1, queen b2, double attack, checkmating at g7 and attacking the bishop at b1. queen d4 only move. Otherwise, black loses is bishop at b1. Queen takes d4, c takes d4, bishop takes d4. And white is winning. The only answer and the best move is, again, bishop takes b1. G takes f4 as in the game. If rook takes b1, rook takes f3. And if f takes g4, bishop e4 check. After g takes h4 as in the game, rook takes f3. Excellent move. Rook takes f3, knight f2 check, rook takes f2, bishop e4 check, rook g2 only move. Rook takes g2. After this move, white resign. White cannot avoid losing his material. The queen cannot escape from discover check, or the queen cannot attack the bishop without losing it, and the white bishop cannot avoid the double attack at the first rank. After knight c3, rook takes d2, knight takes e4, rook d1 check, king g2, rook takes a1. And black can easily win this position. By the way, thank you for continue supporting us, watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this to your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.